How to activate STC SIM card with Iqama. Now, activating your STC SIM card is just the general or the popular way on activating any physical SIM card that you'd like to be used on your mobile device. So, say for example, you have a physical SIM. All you have to do is just to crop the part of the SIM card, whether it's a micro or the general size of the SIM. You simply insert it, usually located at the left portion attached to your phone. You just have to remove it and then insert your SIM card, and it will automatically be added. Any network available or the card that you're using automatically be detected on your mobile device. So this is one of the sources directly from SDC, just to provide you a legitimate steps or process for this to work. So again, open up your My SDC application via Google Play Store, and then from the store, select the mobile and internet SIM, which is the one that is inserted to, which is the one that has already been inserted to your device. Choose the services that suits you, activate SIM on your own, and then scan the SIM barcode or enter the serial number, which will be located at the physical card itself. Now, next thing to do is input the PUK2 number or PUK1 number. It's actually the same thing. Choose the correct package that you prefer, enter your details, enter the verification code that has been sent to you from STC, and then just simply authenticate. NAFOT will be prompted on your mobile device, and then the payment through one of the available methods that you prefer. And then there you go. You just fully activated your SIM card. And that's how you activate your STC SIM card with Iqama.